If you spend hours editing your videos and by the end of the day, they don't even look professional, this video is going to save you a whole lot of time. In this video, I'll be showing you how I edit my videos from start to finish using just my phone alone. No complicated software or app, no laptop, just my phone and the exact way I edit my videos before I upload them here on YouTube. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie and on this channel, I'll teach you how to grow on YouTube, how to create better content and how to build a channel that actually gets views. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my editing process from importing my footages to exporting my last video. Stay with me. The first thing I do before I edit my videos is to record my videos. I use an iPhone 12 to record my video. So after recording my videos, I divide them into clips. Each clips for each point or topic that I make. Dividing them into clips makes them easier for me to edit when I want to edit them. After I've made my videos or video clips, I import them into CapCut. I select all of them. I select all and import them into CapCut. And I import them in this order. The first one is the main videos. So I'm going to import all my videos first, then followed by B-rolls. I overlay these B-rolls because I use phone. So I'm going to overlay them. And then the next thing is screenshots. If there are any screenshots, so I'm going to import the screenshots too as overlays too. Then the next thing I'm going to go to sounds. So in this sounds, I'm going to import my music or sound effects if I'm using sound effects. So if it's a music that you want to play, like a background music or a point where you want to play music, this is the point to import the music. Or you want to use sound effects, so you can import your sound effects here, and this is how you use sound effects. These are a list of sound effects that you can actually find here on CapCut. So the next thing that I do is that I remove unnecessary mistakes. Every part that is not wanted in my video, I remove them. So here are things I remove. The first one is awkward pauses. The next one is breathing sounds. The third one is repeated words. Then the next one is mistake, every form of mistake. And then lastly, I remove unnecessary silence. So here are a list of things that I cut out because I do not need them in my videos. Then the next thing is zoom and camera movement. In this zoom and camera movement, I don't just leave my videos like this, the way I just made them. I'm going to zoom in whenever I'm making points and out too. This helps to keep the attention of my audience. So the next thing that I do when I'm editing my videos is that I add B-rolls. What are B-rolls? B-rolls are those clips that helps you to explain what you have in mind better. You see sometimes when you're making videos, you add little clips to that video. Let's take for instance, I'm talking about YouTube Studio. I'm going to add a video or a picture of YouTube Studio to my video. And then when my audience sees it, they're going to understand better. Or when I'm talking about, let me say, the lights that I use for my video, I'm going to add a video of that light, a clip of that light to help you understand better. The next thing is like maybe I'm talking about let's say I'm talking about this duster now. I'm going to add a video of this duster to help you understand better. So these are B-rolls. I add B-rolls to my videos too to help you, my audience, understand them better. So the next thing that I add to my video is tests. I only use tests in my videos when they are necessary. If you watch, you see that I don't use too many tests here because it makes your video look crowded. Just look at this for instance. It's going to make your video look crowded and a lot of things will be going on the screen and it's going to distract your audience. So I only use tests when it's necessary. So the next one is sound effects. In my videos, I use very simple sound effects like whoosh, pop-ups, click, all these kind of simple sounds that helps your video. I don't go to look for other distracting sounds that are going to make your videos very, very distracting and unpleasant to the ear. So I make my sounds to actually relate to what I'm talking about in my videos. I'm not going to look for all kind of distracting sounds so that my viewers, my audience, they don't end up being distracted by the sounds that I use in my videos. So the next thing I add to my video when I'm editing it is background music. Background music is a very beautiful thing because it keeps your background busy. The sound is also soothing to your audience when they are listening to it. It makes your videos like pleasant to watch. Let's take for instance, in this video now, there's a background music to it. If you can listen properly, in adding background music, make sure that it is not louder than your voice. It should be very, very, very low so that it does not distract your viewers from your video. So just make sure that it is at the lowest. Make it very, very, very low. So the next thing that I do to my videos when I'm editing them is color grading. This helps your videos to pop properly, the colors of your video. It enhances your videos and make them very, very attractive and look bright too. So when I'm color grading, I adjust the brightness, the contrast and the saturation. I just do little edits to them. I don't over edit my videos because I still want to look natural. So the next edit I do is captions. I don't always add captions to my videos. I only add tests when they're necessary to add, or tests when I'm talking about a topic and I want to I want my audience to have a better view of it. So when I'm done with all of these edits and I want to export my video, I'm going to watch that video one more time to look out for errors, and some of these errors are spelling mistakes, spelling errors. You wouldn't want to give out things that are not appropriate to your audience. The next thing is audio problem. I'll watch the sound, both the sound of my background music, the sound of my voice, and then the sound of the clips I add, my bureaus, to see how they are in the video, if they are certain to the ear, if my audience are going to like it or not, before I start exporting them. The next thing I'm going to look out is jump cuts. I'm going to look at timing, and I'm going to looking for missing bureaus. If I'm actually missing any bureau at all, if there's a place I need to add bureau and I did not add it, I'm going to look out for this before I export my videos. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you are finding it difficult in your editing journey, or what editing tutorials you would want me to post next. See you in the next video. Bye.